What's up guys, what's going on? I'm right here, and today you're watching this video because you want to know what you should be doing to properly maintenance your property. And it all starts on the ground level, and in this case it grows up to the top level. Let's talk about some of the key aspects of what's going on here so that you will not make the same mistake and end up costing you hundreds if not thousands, just like it's costing this homeowner right here. Let's dive right in. So you can see the trees have grown and they're pretty much encroaching, if not touching the roof, allowing animals to cross over, allowing the trees to whip and beat the roof when storms pass through and cause granule loss and if not holes. To give you a visual effect dramatization, we have Nick the tree here that's gonna show how the tree beats the roof. And that's how the tree beats the roof. Now what these trees also do is allow critters and whatnot to get up on the roof and do their business, allowing all this nastiness up on your roof to basically acidically eat away your roof. Now after all that eating, they need a place to rest. And guess where they're going? They're going inside your attic. That's right folks. These critters crawled all through and ate through the roof. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna help this homeowner get everything repaired and solidified. But some more tips for you at home. If you're watching this, you probably own a home or have several properties that have roofs on them, just like this one right here. So hit that subscribe button and smash the like button if you get any value out of this. And if you wanna learn anything more, we're gonna be covering some more tips and tricks on what you can do to save that money when it comes to owning your properties.